How to turn on the hardware acceleration in your Chrome browser if you don't find where it is hardware acceleration, or if hardware acceleration not working on your Chrome browser, so how you can enable it. So in this video tutorial we're going to talk about. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me open my Chrome browser here. So just open your Chrome browser, and at your left side top up corner, at your right side top of corner, just click on this three dot option, and you need to go in setting tab. The setting page will be open. This is Chrome setting, and here what you need to do, if you have updated Chrome, then you will find here the system option. If you don't have updated, maybe here you can find the advanced option. You need to just click on this down arrow, and you need to expand it. Okay, so just go to the advanced option or directly go to the system. Here under the system you can see the option use hardware acceleration when available. Okay, so maybe in your case it is off, so just on it, and it is now enabled. Okay, so that is how you can enable hardware acceleration in Chrome browsers. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.